failing to investigate complaints adequately can easily earn you a warning letter. A case study on how to avoid such unfortunate situations coming up. I'm Kugel from Qualistery.com, where we provide fun and highly effective live online GMP workshops delivered to you by top educators in the field. Welcome to another episode of Letters to Avoid, a series about GMP where we examine regulatory mistakes made by companies worldwide. Those errors caused them an FDA warning letter, and this is vital that we learn from them. Today I'm talking about a warning letter received by Tender Corporation, a company located in the USA. It manufactures various goods for the outdoors and is not limited to drug products. The one product they sell, which falls in the USA under the drug entity category, is called Afterbite, and its purpose is to reduce itching after getting bit by a bug. After using this product, some children developed blisters, rashes, and pain. As a result, their parents, I would presume, filed complaints with the company. The company does have procedures in place to handle such complaints. That includes thorough analysis, investigation, and implementation of CAPAs to address and respond to complaints. On paper, everything seems okay. However, the FDA found out that the company closed multiple complaints investigations without determining a root cause or implementing effective CAPAs. For example, the company closed one of the complaints based on the assertion that the complaint profile was low and the batch testing met specifications. Thus, the company has concluded that the product was safe and effective. So where did the company go wrong? First of all, concluding that an event has a low impact on the consumer's health is not an excuse to close complaints or deviations. The company should have investigated what caused the consumer to experience unpleasant side effects. If it was indeed their product, they must have conducted an extensive root cause analysis to understand what has happened. After finding out the cause, they should have investigated whether other batches were affected by the failure. In the end, they should have created effective CAPAs to make sure the situation wouldn't repeat itself. The process of issue investigation throughout the product life cycle is a vital part of the quality management system. Therefore, mishandling deviations can quickly get you in trouble with regulators. If you would like to enhance your knowledge on the topic, I would love to invite you to our free webinar, Deviations and Issue Management Systems, where you would learn the best practice framework to quickly and efficiently deal with such situations. It launches on October 14th at 11 o'clock Eastern European Time. You can register for free on www.qualistery.com. On this note, I would like to wish Tender Corporation the best of luck to abolish their compliance issues as quickly as possible. I hope you enjoyed this episode and found it informative. If you did, please leave a comment and share your thoughts. Stay compliant and see you in the next one.